Do you like do you like
Kami ni ya dah macam pening nak jawab.
eh do you love your job?
Maybe
Why maybe?
sebab saya kena handle customer CS.
Oh, jadi awak okey lah.
Okey je.
Do you love your job?
Ya, saya betul-betul suka pekerjaan saya lah.
Okay.
Banyak pengalaman yang boleh dapat. Saya sangat-sangat suka lah. Memang suka.
Okey lagi?
Ada tak ada?
Apa je kerja awak?
Kerja saya balas customer, urus parcel macam tu lah. Saya suka.
Okay. Do you love your job?
Yes, I do.
Why you love your job?
Because I love taking care of the other people.
What your scope?
I lead the team and I'll take accountability for anything happen inside the company.
Oh, so every day you come to work you feel excited lah?
I do lah.
Okay.
Why?
No, just asking.
Okay.
Okay.